It's day 6 of Can You Learn the Tense Before the Song Ends. Today's song is Más by Aitana. Today's tense is the preterite tense for ER and IR regular verbs. We got 3 minutes, 39 seconds. We're gonna need all of them. Vámonos. Okay, if you haven't watched yesterday's video on AR verbs in the preterite tense, I would recommend doing that first just because this is gonna kind of build on that. But as always, there are 3 steps to forming this tense. So remember, the preterite tense is the past tense, like I did, I went, I saw, we went, we ate, we laughed. So step 1 is we need the infinitive. And again, as we've seen in all the videos prior to this, the infinitive ends in AR, ER, or IR. And that is an essential fact that you just have to know. Then step 2, we're going to remove, in today's case, the ER and the IR because we're only focusing on ER and IR verbs. And then we add the endings for the person doing the action. And ER and IR verbs, I should say, are always the same in the preterite tense. There is no difference between them. So if I am doing the action, I add the letter I with an accent. If you are doing the action, we add iste. If he, she, or it is doing the action, we add io with an accent on the o. If we are doing the action, we add imos. If you all are doing the action, we add istes. And if they are doing the action, we add ieron. So I'll give you an example verb. I only need to do one example because, like we said, ER and IR verbs work exactly the same. So the example I'm going to use is comer because that's always the easiest example. So I ate, comí. You ate, comiste. He, she, it, comió. We ate, comimos. You all ate, comisteis. And they ate, comieron. Okay, so now we're going to do some practice, and we're just going to practice with the I and the we because, remember, those are the most important ones for GCSE. If you know those, you will go far. So, first example, beber, to drink. ¿Cómo se dice? I drank. Bebí, muy bien. And ¿cómo se dice? We drank. Bebimos, perfecto. Okay, example number 2. What verb are we going to use? It took me a little while to think of this, and I can't think why because it's something I do all the time. Correr, to run. ¿Cómo se dice? I ran. Corrí, muy bien. And we ran. Corrimos, muy bien. And final example, we'll go for an IR verb, salir, to go out. ¿Cómo se dice? I went out. Muy bien, salí. And ¿cómo se dice? We went out. Salimos. And that's it. Done. Aitana, still playing. Preterite tense, completed it. I know I say it every video, but it really is that simple. You just have to get your head around the endings. Tomorrow, we're looking at the irregulars in the preterite tense, and these are ones that always catch people out, so you definitely want to come back and check out that video. Hasta mañana.